Dear students, greetings from Dr. T. Senthilmurugan, Associate Professor, Department of IT, Kakatiya Institute of Technology and Science, Varangal. In this video lecture, we are going to discuss about arithmetic expressions and precedence and associativity of operators. Okay, how we can use the operator, what is the precedence is there, what is the associativity is there. That we are going to discuss in this video lecture. So dear students, this is week 3, lecture 1, classroom discussion topic 7. Okay. So we are going to discuss about arithmetic expression, how the arithmetic expressions are there, and what is the precedence of operators and associativity of operators. So this concept we will discuss in this video lecture. So after completion of this lecture, so we must be ensure what is the lecture outcome. So end of this lecture, student will be able to evaluate the arithmetic expressions. Okay, if any expression you will give, you can able to evaluate and understand the precedence operator and associativity of the operators. Okay. What is arithmetic expression? Arithmetic expression means is combinations of variables, constants, and operators assigned as per the syntax of the language. Okay. So example, we know that arithmetic expression A plus B equal to C. So this is also arithmetic operator. So what we are saying that, so operands are there, these are the operands, these are the operators we are used. So with operator and operands, we can perform arithmetic expressions. So we have used a number of simple expressions in the examples discussed so far. So previous video lectures, we know how to use the expressions already we discussed. So even C language is handle any complex mathematical expression. Okay, complex means it is maybe lengthy expressions or complex operations it will perform. So for remember that just C does not have an operator for exponential. So we know that we will write exponential operator. So exponential operator, it is not used in the C language. You see here just algebraic expressions and C expressions. Okay. So what happened? Normally how we can write it? A into B minus C. This is simple expression. So in C language, there is no X value. This is X value. We are not considered as a multiplication. For instead of multiplication, we are using asterisk symbol. Okay. So we will write like this. So here also in normal algebraic expression, so bracket is there. In between, if it is not no symbol means we can easily understand that there is multiplication is there. But in computer, we have to inform proper operators. So m plus n multiplication symbol asterisk, then x plus y. How to write it? How we can write it? The division operation you see here. Simply we can write it means a and b will be multiplication and divide. After multiplication, we have to divide with the c. So now we know that how we can change it this. First we can multiply with the a and b, then divide c. So okay, this is simple expression. So example here you see 3x square plus 2x plus 1. So how we can write it? X square means x into x. Okay, x multiply with x. So 2 into x means 2 multiplication symbol x should be there. Okay, so wherever the operator we need, we have to use operator properly. Then only the expression will be give the proper answer. So here you will see that division, then addition operation. First x divided by y plus c. So like that we can write it. Already we have the experience also. Even you will see that. So normally what we will write expression means what is the arithmetic expression. Normally what is the arithmetic expression? C expressions. So expression means it's already operator with operands. Can perform some operation. Okay. So operand means answer function reference. It may be the variable, it may be the array element, it may be the constant, whatever it may be. So a minus b. What is a minus b? A and b are variable. Minus is the operator. So this is simple expression. Okay. So you see here this expression x equal to 9 by 2 plus a minus b. This is a simple expression. How we can evaluate? So for that, we know this is the expression, but how we can evaluate normally in mathematics example, if we have a value equal to 3, b value equal to 5 is there. So how we will evaluate x equal to 9, 2 plus a value 3 minus b value 5. So how we will perform normally in mathematics? In mathematics 9 by 2, 4.5 plus 3. So 7.5 minus 5. So 2.5. So answer is 2.5 we will write. But in computer we have to use which operation will perform first, which operator have high precedence, which operator have less precedence, that we have to discuss. Okay. So in C language we have different types of expressions: arithmetic expressions, relational expressions, logical expressions, and conditional expressions. So here we will see one by one. First, arithmetic expression. What is arithmetic expression? We know arithmetic operators: plus, minus, then multiplication, division, modulus. So wherever the expression used these 5 symbols, this is considered as the arithmetic operation. These arithmetic operators computes value type of integer value, float value, and double values. Okay. So it is not performing with the character. So it will perform at this value. There is no exponential symbol will be worked here. Okay. But we can use this type of data. Wherever we are using integer expression, that is considered as the arithmetic expression. Okay. So in only the integer is used, integral operands used for only integer means that is pure integer expressions. Where it has the real operands, only real operands is there means that is considered as the pure real expressions. Okay, so example, int a comma b comma c is there. Okay, float x comma y comma z is there. We are declared the variable. So if I am using a plus b, c equal to a plus b, this is pure integer expressions. Okay, so x equal to y into z, it is pure real values. Okay, so where the combination will be there is mixed mode. Okay, so example z equal to a into y, like that. If we are using that, it is the mixed mode combinations expressions. Okay. How to evaluate the expressions, arithmetic expressions? We must be checked with precedence and associativity. Well, how it will be there? You just remind this. Okay, first parenthesis. Wherever the parenthesis is there, that will be considered as sub expressions. From left to right, we have to evaluate. First condition. This is the rules and regulations for evaluate the expressions. If parentheses are nested means within this. Okay, so for example, this is a parenthesis. So you have to evaluate first this one. So in case this parenthesis have another parenthesis, you will give first preference for nested parenthesis. That is inside it is there now. This parenthesis you will give the first preference. Then you will go for outside parenthesis. Okay. Even if you have that another parenthesis inside means first preference, then second preference, then third preference you will give like this. The precedent rule is applied in determining the order of application of operator is evaluating sub-expressions. So in case inner side, if the same operator is there, so we have to check the precedence. Okay. So when we have to apply the associative rule, when the two operator is in the same expressions, same precedence level, then we have to use the associative rule. Okay, so left to right or right to left, how we can use? Arithmetic expression normally using left to right, using the rules precedence. Okay. So the parentheses have the highest priority. That is also you have to remind it. So how we can evaluate that expression? They are given one expression. You see here. Okay. The first preference is brackets. Where they are given the bracket, Here they are given the bracket. Inside the bracket, what are the operators are there? Plus, asterisk, slash, plus is there. So here, these are the arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators, multiplication, division, modulus have the highest priority, plus, minus have the lowest priority. These are all the same priority, this also. When we are executing these operators came high precedence, you will give the first preference for higher level precedence. This is lower level precedence. Okay. So in this expression, first you have to divide with, first you are reaching plus, then multiplication is there. So you will give preference for multiplication. Then division is there. So here what has happened? Multiplication also is there, division also is there. So now we can apply what you have to do. You have to apply the associative rule. Left to right you have to evaluate. So first multiplication came, you will multiply with this value. So 1 into 2, 2. Okay. So that is forward. Now you can consider inner side the brackets. So here division is there. First preference will give for this division. 2 by 3. The answer is, what is the answer? 2 by 3. 0 point something it will come. The 0 will be the remainder. Okay. 0 is the answer. So 0 you can perform. So inner side the bracket again plus only is there. 2 plus 6 8. 8 you are added. Okay. The first parenthesis over. Next parenthesis 8 by 4. Okay, so now we will give preference for next parenthesis. 8 by 4 equal to 2. Okay, so next parenthesis over. Now from this entire equation, multiplication division is there. Then we will start from left to right. Okay, the associativity for arithmetic operation is left to right. So 6 into 2, 12. Okay. So then divided by 8, 8 into 2. So now again division and multiplication is there. First division. 12 by 8, 1. Okay. So only decimal part you will consider. Plus 8 into 2. So now multiplication have the highest precedence. 8 into 2, 16. So 1 plus 16, 17. Like this you have to evaluate. Okay. So relational expression, how the relational expression is there? Relational expression means whether the action should be taken or not. For that purpose we will use. So I told no, power is there. If power is there, what you have to do? If power is not there, what you have to do? So like that we are checking the condition no, that is considered the logical operations. In bottom table you just see x modulus 2 equal to 0 means that is, it may be used for even number. Find that even number. If it is 0 means the number is even. If it is not 0 means the number is odd number. So for that purpose we are using this expression. Okay. A not equal to B. So we are checking A equal to B or A not equal to B. So if it is not equal to B means the answer is 1. If it is equal to B means answer is 0. Here you see A plus B equal to A plus Y. So this is equal symbol. Okay. So it is not assignment operator. It is equal symbol. So we are checking A plus B you have to calculate. X plus Y you have to calculate. Then you have to check both are equal or not. Okay. If it is equal you will get the value 1. If it is not equal you will get 0. So for that purpose we are using logical operations. Okay. So these are the sorry, logical expression. Previous one is relational expression. This is logical expression. We know that logical operators already we are discussed. For AND operation, OR operation, we can perform. Okay. So AND operation means both should be true. Then only the answer is true. Okay. So OR operation, anyone should be true. Then the condition may be work. So not of this operation, not means you will consider this value, it may be written any value true or false. If true means that will be converted to false. If false means it will be converted to true. Okay. Next one, conditional expressions. What is the conditional expressions? We know that conditional operator already we are discussed. Okay, question mark colon. Okay, so we can write the if statement. Condition you have to check. So if condition true, you will perform that if statement, or else if condition fails means it will work elsewhere. For this statement, we are replaced like this. The expression one will be there, question mark. If the expression 1 is true, then it will execute. If expression 1 is false, then it will execute. Okay. So this is the conditional operator. So now we are discussing about the precedence of the precedence and associativity. The first precedence 1, have parenthesis, then bracket for array purpose, then member selection, then pointer values. So these are the operators have the same precedence. When they have the same precedence, what you have to do? You have to apply left to right associativity. Okay, so for these, all the operators have the same precedence. First preference you will give like this. In this also, you will give the preference for like this. Okay, parenthesis. These all are have the same precedence. Once the precedents are same, you have to go for associativity. Associativity means how you can evaluate from left to right. For the second precedence, you see that increment and decrement operator. Okay, post increments have the first preference. The pre increment or pre decrement have the second precedence. Okay, so unary plus unary minus, logical negotiations, and typecasting, differences, address, size of operator. These operators have the precedence too. So these operators have the same precedent, then it will execute have with right to left. Don't forget it. Okay. Whenever you have to execute with this operator, you will perform this operation with right to left. Okay. Don't forget it. So remaining individual operators are there. These are the arithmetic operator. I told you no. Multiplication, division, modulus operator have the precedence 3. It will execute. In case same operators comes means we will do with left to right. So here all the precedents have with work with left to right. So addition operation, addition or subtractions. Here shifting, left shifting and right shifting. Here relational operators, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, not equal to, equal to. So this and bitwise and bitwise or bitwise XOR. So these all the operators have different precedence. First preference for this, second preference for this, like this. But if in case same operators came means it have to follow the left to right. So finally, after those operators, the remaining operators is coming here, like the precedence first for logical and logical OR and ternary conditional operators. Then after all the operators, it will be used for next precedence is 14. Last precedence is comma. Comma is used for expression separator. So these all assignment operators will be used as 14th precedence. So these operators may be assignment operator, ternary operators may be used with right to left. Okay. So remaining all are left to right. Okay. So these are the precedence and associative rule. So how we can evaluate it? Already I explained. Arithmetic expression. What is arithmetic expression? How we are written? Expression evaluation. How we can evaluate? Based on the precedence and associativity we are discussed. Based on the operator, how we will give it. So that is also we are discussed. So now we have to revisit the lecture outcome. Having completed the discussion on expressions and understand the precedence of operator and associativity of operator in C, now students should be able to evaluate the arithmetic expression. If any expression I will give, you are able to evaluate. Okay. And also you know how to do the precedence and associative if the same operators perform in the expression. So you have the idea about it. So you can perform this operation, like you have to develop the C program for evaluate and perform this operation. Finally, you can compare the manual calculation as well as output which you are received from the C program, that you will analyze the output with these answers. So I hope you are enjoyed this video. You understood these operators also. Even if you have doubt, you can read the textbook for clarifications. Author Balakur Sami, title Programming in NCC, Chapter 4 Operators and Expression. Okay, so even if you have doubt, then you can refer the weekly tutorial sheet for your better understanding. Thank you very much for listening this video. We will see in the next video. Thank you very much.